Whoopsie daisy.
Good job, Anthony.
No. I'm gonna record the entire class.
Yeah, and like I said, I know they can set it up to, right, when you first do it, it's set up so you're not supposed to be able to access it.
I believe when you're filming,
It's
it's supposed to be
faced
this way.
There's a lot more action that happens in the crowd. Don't mess up.
Thanks, that's very reassuring.
I'll pre-write your thing. Why did my... Oh, this is from her coffee.
Yeah, she got a lot of coffee in mine, too.
Oh my god.
What's your speech on?
Vending machines. Do you want a timeline?
Yeah.
We should get some race car shoes.
I need some wheelies. Some like light up wheelies.
Or I guess display those.
Lawsuit from that? Some kid like slammed into a wall or something.
I don't know. That's great. Great to know.
Into where?
Lower locker room.
For football?
It's kind of like the boys' locker room, but you know what that is.
They put him at
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to be down there, but summer school.
I went in there and all the juniors were all shirtless and it was really weird.
Was there any freshmen?
What?
Any freshmen? Oh.
No, but, okay, you remember how we were going in there and there was freshmen in there, right?
Okay.
And then, you know how there was like the front room and then there's like the, you go behind it and there's like shower, I think it's like showers or something.
Yeah.
There's a whole bunch of, they're juniors.
I don't understand why they have showers in them. That's like personal bubble.
And they all came out of it. They used to sit there like.
Oh,
Oh gosh.
okay. Oh, I was gonna say, that wasn't all about me.
Wait, it goes
Okay. Okay, that's weird. I'll have to ask technical about that, because I'm just afraid that we will start yeah, I'll have to do that on the other one. Sorry, Nathan, we were trying to get that, the low file.
Say hi to the camera.
Okay, who's recording Nathan? Mirabelle?
Anthony has it on the computer.
Okay. Anthony, are you also signing?
Yeah.
Okay, and the people who are doing your credits, you know what you're supposed to do. Rob, is there any chance
I'll start a second early.
Watch Shelby for your proceed? Okay, perfect. Alright, thank you. Okay, audience ready? Alright, when you get to go.
3, 2, 3, 2, 1, go.
After you're done taking a test or completing a long day of school, wouldn't it just feel so refreshing to put some change in a vending machine and get a tasty treat? I have completed careful research on this subject and have come to the conclusion that we would all benefit from the placement of vending machines on the school campus. And today, I'm going to tell you how that is all possible. First, we'll take a look at the opposing viewpoints. Many will say that vending machines, or at least the materials inside, are unhealthy. This is not necessarily true due to the fact that it's an easily fixable thing. Regulations can be placed by governing bodies from state, local, or even school officials. And healthier options are widely available, like Fresh Healthy Vending, which is a San Diego-based startup company where they have machines featuring products from Stonyfield Farm yogurts and Tazo iced teas. The company got started 16 months ago and already has many machines in 800 locations across 43 states. This is not the only company like this, and even larger companies like Coca-Cola are doing many things to step back and take healthier options. Also, many students and even schools will see large profits and benefits from the placement of school-wide vending machines. cash-strapped schools have helped fund student activities by raising tens of thousands of dollars through a year through contracts with soft drink companies. When a district or school agrees to have a soft drink vending machines, the beverage company gives the school 50 or to even 55% of every drink sold. Paradise Valley Unified School District expects to make $2.6 million over 5 years with an exclusive contract from Coca-Cola. Peoria Unified School District will make almost an estimated $1.3 million over 5 years with both Pepsi and Coca-Cola. And schools in the Mesa Unified School District have agreements with Coca-Cola that will earn them over around $393,000 and $122 a year. Students will also see many benefits from these changes. The money that the companies pay to have their machines on campus help buy extra things that the students may not otherwise have, such as field trips. Remember back in 6th grade when we all went to science camp? I gotta say, that was pretty fun. But that costs a lot of money, and that money has to come from somewhere. And sporting items, like the scoreboard that is somewhere out in that general direction on the football field, that costs a lot of money, as does the track and the field fence, and all their equipment. Finally, we'll look at some of the assorted facts. Public school districts have been cutting deals with beverage companies for over 50 years. So that means these deals have been going on for a long time, and this is no new thing. Who are we to end such a time-honored relationship? School officials argue that they are benefiting from demand because many students drink soft drinks anyway. Many of us do, if not all of us, so I know that this is true. I know that Tommy and Brandon, while they may not be here, they do. I know that Tommy likes to drink Dr. Pepper a lot, and Brandon likes Sprite. I personally like root beer. Those are all manufactured by large soft drink companies, which can be sold within the building. If we do that, the profits will then go to the school. If we were to look at other alternatives to earning money for the school, a typical car wash on a Saturday by students only clears about $200 for 8 hours of work. This is much more labor intensive than just a simple soft drink machine would do. But students, even if we were to do this, students don't necessarily have the time for such activities. So in conclusion, now that we've seen all the facts laid before us, we know that it isn't actually the most unhealthy of choices, and that students and schools alike will benefit from the changes. Even with that knowledge, we are just scratching the surface as to why we should allow vending machines on school campuses. Thank you.
It was 4 minutes, 43 seconds, 0.59 milliseconds.
0.59 milliseconds?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Every millisecond matters.
Yup.
That's not weird at all.
You know why, or you live by you?
He lives in.
Do you babysit?
Who?
Isabella.
Oh yeah, the
Shaker?
house. Oh,
I
yeah.
pushed her in a wheelbarrow to his house, and there was his little house. Why?
Mr. Helmer.
Is there something new? Yeah. He's really
You
hot.
should understand that.
Alright,
It's coming to class.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not slow. Her actual neighbor isn't that hot, but then all his friends are really
Yeah.
hot. And then they play soccer and they have a pool. They run around
That's
shooting.
not weird at all. I live by all those people.
Oh, I have a long energy with contact whatever.
No, because I live over by Lakeside.
But it just
School
seems like
Lakeside. I actually live in Lakeside District. But, I live by all over people. It's like really quiet.
in your eye
And then, this new family moved in. Now it's like really loud and it just wants to throw up like at the kids. Because they're so annoying.
And you lean on the phone camera for the whole first part. I don't remember you
When I
doing
kinda
that
live
before. But, I mean, you still did a very good job. Your content is well written and well organized, so where some people have done okay delivery and not very strong content, your content was really awesome and your delivery was not very good. You did fine on this and that, but, well, my content's super good, we got 7 minutes